I'm waiting for a princess.
Yes, for all the girls, she's waiting just for a princess. If you are not a princess,
You can't
nothing.
apply.
Just for he's available just for princess.
Of
Pretty
compost.
princess. Welcome B12 family. ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිතලා තිබ්බද පිටරට කට්ටිය මොනවද ලංකාව ගැන දන්නේ මොනවද ඒගොල්ලෝ ලංකාව ගැන හිතන්නේ කියලා? අන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට උත්තරයක් අපි ඔයගලන්ට අරන් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එකක් කරන ගමන් අපි එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එකක් කරා කාලයකට කලින් ලංකාවට පාස්කු ප්‍රහාරය වෙච්ච දවස්වල ලංකාවේ ටූරිසම් අප් කරන්න. එයින් පස්සේ අපි කිසිම සෝෂල් එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එකක් කරේ නැහැ. ඉතින් කාලය හරි කියලා හිතෙනවා අපිට. මොකද සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ වගේ දෙයක් කරන්න ලෝකෙ වටේ චුට්ටක් එහාට මෙහාට යන්න ඕනේ. මොකද එක එක රටවල වල කට්ටියගෙන් අහන්න එපයි. ඒත් අපි ගොඩක් ලකී. මොකද ෆින්කා එකේ ලෝකෙ වටේම ආපු කට්ටිය ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් අද අපේ යාළුවන්ට පොඩි චැලෙන්ජ් එකක් දෙන්නයි යන්නේ. ලංකාව ගැන ප්‍රශ්න කීපයක් අහලා. දැන් මම ඔයගලන්ට කියන්නම් කොහොමද වැඩේ වෙන්නේ කියලා. හැමෝගෙම ප්‍රශ්න තුනයි අහන්නේ. අපි බලමු ඒ ප්‍රශ්න තුනට මේගොල්ලෝ කොහොමද උත්තර දෙන්නේ කියලා. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ මැප් එකේ ලංකාව කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා දන්නවද කියන එක. අනිත් දේ තමයි එයාලට ශ්‍රී ලංකා කියලා කිව්ව ගමන්ම හිතට එන ඔළුවට එන පළවෙනි වචන ටික මොනවාද? ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි කවදා හරි දවසක ඒගොල්ලෝ ලංකාවට යන්න හිතාගෙන ඉන්නවද? ඔව් නම් ඇයි? නැත්තම් ඒත් ඇයි කියලා අහන එක. ඉතින් අපි බලමු අපේ කට්ටිය මොනවද මේකට උත්තර දෙන්නේ කියලා. කට්ටිය එක්සයිටඩ් වෙලා ඉන්නේ. අපි ගිහලා බලමු මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා. Let's go. දැන් අපි ලීදියාත් එක්ක ඉන්නේ. Hi ලීදියා. ලීදියා ඇමරිකාවේ ඉඳලා ෆින්කකට ආපු එක්කනේ. දැන් අපි ලීදියාගෙන් අපේ ප්‍රශ්න තුන අහමු. So Lydia, the first question is, do you know where Sri Lanka is on the map?
I do.
Where is?
Where
It
is?
is to the southeast of India. Yeah.
Okay.
Specifically
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay, thank you so
How
much.
do you know about Tamil Nadu?
Because I lived there for half a year.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Do you
She's
want?
the superwoman.
Do you want to say something about India, about your experience?
Ooh. I stayed exclusively in the south.
Yeah.
And I loved it. I visited Kerala also. And what a different climate than Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu is like very dry. I'm sure you know, but like very, very dry except for the hill regions. And Kerala is luscious and tropical and beautiful. And I loved both.
Yeah.
My heart was in Tamil Nadu though.
In Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good, good. We are like crazy about Kerala.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
love it.
I completely understand. Yeah.
Okay, second question
Okay.
is, what's the first thing that's come to your mind when I said Sri Lanka?
Ooh.
Like the first things, not just the first thing.
I would say I've heard that the nature is beautiful and that there's a lot of farmland, but I don't want to say the wrong crop.
Lot of?
Farmland? Like there's a lot of,
Farms.
yeah, but of something specific and I can't remember what it is. If it's sugarcane or if it's bananas or there's something that is a
We
lot
have
of.
a lot of things of everything. Mostly
Especially.
Mostly
tea.
tea.
Tea,
Okay.
tea plants.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's like kind of my image.
Okay.
And
I
also
have, like,
rice.
very vague, beautiful nature and very vague farmland.
And beautiful people.
And beautiful.
Of course. Okay.
And
next
also
question.
coconut trees.
Yeah, we have like farm of a lot of things.
Mm.
Like tea, coconut, rice, like rice field, not rice farms, and these stuffs. Okay, third question, last one. Do you want to come to Sri Lanka one day? And if is why? If is yes, why?
Yes. I've actually been to Sri Lanka.
What?
Yes, I know.
Why would you know about it? What?
Okay, calm down. It's not. The reason you don't know about it is because I was only there for like 2 hours
Okay.
on a plane layover.
Oh,
Yes.
now you
I didn't know about
I was
that.
like, you can't come. Okay, you was
Surprise inside of the video. yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
මාසයක් එකට දරන් හිටියේ නෑ මේ ලංකාවට ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා
Oh
කියලා.
my god.
Yeah, so I've been there for 2 hours. I mean, in the airport, so
Okay,
it
it's
wasn't
an amazing airport.
So yes, I want to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
This-
you know why you want to go? I mean,
Well, I'd like to visit you.
Oh my god, I love you.
Yeah, I'd like you to show me the place.
Yes,
Yeah?
of course. So we invite you to come to visit us when we are in Sri Lanka.
Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Lydia.
Thank you, Lydia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
දැන් අපි ඉන්නේ මතියස් එක. මතියස් ඉන්නේ අර්ජන්ටිනාවල ඉඳලා.
මතියස්ව කට්ටියට මතක ඇති ටැටු වීඩියෝ එකෙන් පස්සේ.
Yes, the tattoo. They remember it for sure.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, we
I've
were
been in the
super
tattoo
proud.
video. Or...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Come
But
on.
I'm not screaming right now.
No.
No, not.
අපිත් එක්ක වීඩියෝ එක කරන්න තව කට්ටියක් එකතු වෙලා ඉන්න මෙතන ප්‍රේක්ෂකාගාරයේ ඉන්නවා.
ටනං ටනං දියානා ඉන්නවා. හැවි ඉන්නවා. ලිවියා ඉන්නවා.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go with the questions.
Yeah.
So the first question is, do you know to indicate me where is Sri Lanka?
Of course, I know where is Sri Lanka.
Okay. Where is?
This is India, and
Oh,
this is Sri Lanka. But
it's not on focus.
It was
of
very
course.
easy.
yes,
Because I
Okay.
have a lot of signal here. Okay, good
you know
job.
it's easy because you have the house here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
මොකක්ද කියලා කියන්න
මගේ ලංකාවේ මෙතන ගෙයක් තියෙනවා.
ඔයා තව ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල් වෙන්න ඕන.
But I knew it before.
Yeah,
I knew
yeah,
it
yeah.
before.
Okay.
Okay, second question.
Yes.
I don't remember it. Just 1 second. Yeah. What's the first thing that's come to your mind when I said Sri Lanka?
Can I be honest?
Yeah.
You guys. Because,
I'm so proud of this moment.
I'm really honest because I never heard of Sri Lanka before. Now you are telling me a lot of
So
stuff.
you are saying to us that you know about Sri Lanka thanks to us of
Yeah,
Binario12?
exactly, yes.
Great.
I
Good
mean,
job. Good job. I will give you your money later.
No way.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much. There are a lot of other things.
Okay.
Like, I mean, we are super important in Sri Lanka, but there are also other stuff.
Some,
like what?
Elephants, nature, food,
Beaches.
beaches,
mean-
mountains.
Okay.
What else? Ah, you can do a lot of hiking. You like
Okay.
hiking?
yeah.
We don't have mate, but we have a lot of tea.
Yeah.
Amazing tea.
Okay.
Do you want to explain what is mate?
Okay.
A random question.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very important.
Mate is an Argentinian drink. Like it's like a tea. Like you drink it in a bowl, like with
Yeah.
a straw, and with hot water. You
Like
pour the water. And
Herbal
just-
tea, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Kind of
It's a
tea. Yeah,
super
yeah, yeah.
අපේ ලංකාවෙන් මොන වගේද?
ලංකාවේ එහෙම එකක් නෑ.
කොත්තමල්ලි
නෑ
වගේ?
කොත්තමල්ලි වගේ රහක් එන්නේ. ඒත් ඒක කෙලින්ම මේ කප් එකට බටේ දාලා අර මේකොළ දාන තේකොළ වගේ එක දාලා ඒකෙන් මුරලා ගන්න. බටේ ඇතුලේ ෆිල්ටර් එකක් තියෙනවා. ගාලා විරද්දි ෆිල්ටර් වෙලා තමයි එන්නේ.
Refreshing drink. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, after random questions,
Okay.
the third and last question is if one day you want to visit Sri Lanka, and if it's yes, why? If it's no, why?
Of course, I want to visit Sri Lanka because you told me a lot of stuff and good stuff about the place. So yes, I want to go. I want to go to the beach, to your place maybe.
Yeah.
To visit you and have fun.
Where you wish to go in Sri Lanka? Right.
I don't know.
We have jungles, we have beach, we have...
He already
I only
say-
know Colombo.
Yeah.
Colombo.
And that's it.
Okay, you can come to Colombo, my
yeah,
home.
perfect.
We have also good discourse in Colombo.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
for sure. No beaches, but the discos.
Yeah.
Okay, home and disco, home and disco.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Matthias.
And we invite you to come to Sri Lanka.
Of
Okay.
course, we invite you to Sri Lanka.
Thank you, guys.
Really?
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, දැන් අපිත් එක්ක ඉන්නවා Javi ස්පඤ්ඤ කොල්ල. ඉතින් welcome Javi first of all.
Hi, Navi.
Thank you to being here with us.
In our caravan.
Yes, in our special place. So the first question for you,
Okay.
after Mati, you know for sure, but you know where is Sri Lanka on the map?
Yes, under India, like just South India,
Yes.
Yeah,
Good.
an
exactly.
island.
Yeah.
It's an island. Great, great,
Okay.
great. Okay, second question. I'm trying
Oh,
to be
just-
serious.
Like I'm being like, if I was,
You was
in the
there.
next one.
Okay, okay.
Woo! Second
And
question.
another name for Sri Lanka?
What the fuck?
Another name?
Yeah,
For Sri Lanka?
No.
Ceylon.
We call it Ceylon.
Okay.
Before Sri Lanka, we call it Ceylon.
Yeah. He's just asking random questions, don't worry. And the other one is, of course, what's come to your mind when I said Sri Lanka?
I would say elephants and crazy beaches.
Yeah, they are. Both of them. Like a lot of elephants and beautiful beaches.
And have you seen elephant beaches in somewhere on TV?
No. I haven't been outside Europe yet, and it's like, oh, if Sri Lanka is my first trip outside Europe, that would be crazy.
Yes. You have to come, of course.
Yeah.
Because we have another friend. His name is Fabio. His first trip out of Italy, I think it was out of Europe.
Out of Europe, yeah.
Yeah, it was Sri Lanka, and he was enjoying a lot. So you have to come.
Yeah.
Okay, next trip Sri Lanka for
Yeah.
you. So the other question was, it should be, do you want to come to
Yes,
Sri Lanka?
sure.
Why you want to come to Sri Lanka?
It's just so attractive country, like with jungle, beach, crazy culture. Like it's so different to mine that I'm for sure I want to visit it.
And if you love foods, we have a lot of
And I love food,
spicy.
so spices,
And he's a good
tea.
chef.
Yeah,
Dalla
he's-
schifo che calling up to Spagna, riso con latte.
Kiribati.
Con-
Sì.
Yeah.
Riso,
Arroz con leche.
arroz con leche. Pe kiribati che hadra duna. Super good.
We have a chef here.
Him, not me.
Yeah.
You already know it's not me. Him.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And
I think
goodbye.
he's super stressed. I'm so sorry.
And we invite you to come to Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harry.
I feel so formal and so.
With an account, yay!
Wala baya, wala.
Okay.
You,
Me?
like, you're super confident. You're super confident when you talk and stuff, and I'm like,
She
I'm
used
doing
to.
this from,
She used to be in front of the camera.
I mean, it's normal for me, and it's normal for you to be
with your big glasses.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, you girls can start.
Yeah, let's start. දැන් අපි ඉන්න ධ්‍යානත් එක්ක මෙයාත් ස්පාඤ්ඤ කෙනෙක්මයි අපිත් එක්ක ෆින්කගේ ඔෆිස් එකේ වැඩ කරන්නේ ධ්‍යාන. Welcome ධ්‍යාන.
Thank you, Nadi.
So the first question before Chirantana start with random questions is do you know where is Sri Lanka on the map?
Yes, I know. Next to India is a island under India. So yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Everybody now we know where is Sri Lanka. Great.
Yes.
Second question is what's come to your mind when I say Sri Lanka?
So like tropical beaches, jungles, monkeys, elephants,
We have
Yeah.
a lot of monkeys. Yes.
and spicy food.
Yeah.
Yes, a lot. Okay. Third question is if one day you want to come to Sri Lanka and why?
For sure, I want to come because of you, for sure. And after, because I love to travel around the world. I have already been in the south of Asia, and I love to see different cultures, to try different food, meet the people, and just live there and see how it goes.
Yeah, you can live with us in our
Yeah,
house
sure.
for 2 months, like a new finca in Colombo.
You have
We are
one.
already planning the
we
the
know
trip.
the
I mean, we
answer.
already checked the flight, so
Yeah, it was a question, but we are already planning her.
Do you want to
next
say something
adventure.
about that?
Me or her?
You.
Hi.
Yeah.
අපි already දැන් මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මෙහෙම වුණාට ධ්‍යානත් එක්ක plan කර කර ඉන්නේ යා ලංකාවට එනවා කියලා ධ්‍යාන මායිති හාවි අපි කට්ටියම අනිත් අය මට ෂුවර් නෑ ධ්‍යාන for sure ලංකාවට එනවා කියලා තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ටිකට් උත් බලන ගමන් මේ දවස්වල COVID situation එක කොහොමද අපි ගිහිල්ලා ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ලංකාවට එනවා. Surprise. අපි ලංකාවට එලා ටික කාලයක් ගියාට පස්සේ මෙයාලත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලංකාවට එනවා කියලා තමයි තියෙන්නේ.
We promote කරනවා තියෙන ලංකාව.
Yes. So thank you so much, and of course you know you have to come to Sri Lanka.
for
It's
sure.
not an invite; you have to come to Sri Lanka. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
guys.
Diana. Thank you. Leading.
Okay.
Okay, මේක තමයි දැන් present situation එක අපේ කරන්න එක ඔස්සේ.
අය කියන්න තෝ වීඩියෝ කරන්න එපානේ.
එහෙම තමයි පොඩි මේකක් තියෙන්නේ.
Okay, we have the superstar here. The last,
Not last.
not last. I think he's the
අපිට
last.
කටියන අහන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you're a Russian.
Here we have
Okay, දැන් අපි intro එක කරන්න යන්නේ intro එක කරන්න යන්නේ ලූකත් එක්ක ඔයාලා කොහොමද දන්නවා. Hello Luca, welcome.
Hello, everybody.
ඔයාලා කොහොමද දන්නවා ලූකා ඉතාලි කොල්ලෙක් කියලා?
UK has big crowd, Sri Lankan
Sri Lanka.
crowd.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lot of girls love you.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
waiting for a princess.
Yes, for all the girls, she's waiting just for a princess. If you are not a princess,
You can't
nothing.
apply.
Just for he's available just for princess. Pretty princess. Because he's the king of the compost, so we are looking for the queen.
Yes.
Now princess, future queen of compost.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to start?
I don't know who we want.
Okay.
The first question is, do you know where is Sri Lanka on the map? Sri Lanka is on the map, I think it's correct.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah.
is?
Can you
Yes.
indicate? Because
I mean-
Luca medanu yave.
Okay, let me check.
He'll just see your home.
Okay. Yeah,
Ah,
it's
yeah.
here. It's here. He
I think
see
it's here.
It was open with this.
Okay.
I was
Yes.
thinking this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think it's this? Okay, right. Good answer.
අයියෝ අපේ එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එකට වෙනද? Okay, okay.
Second question: what is the first thing that's come to your mind when I say Sri Lanka?
When you say Sri Lanka, I think about
Sri Lankan girls.
It's you, not him.
no, like a population who lives now the traditions,
Yeah.
and I love this because we are losing this, and it's really cool. And also about the food that goes together with the traditions,
Yeah.
and yeah, also the way you eat and the different way to cook, to put spices and everything. Yeah,
Yeah.
and yeah, I love this.
Wow, it comes to your mind a lot of things when I say Sri Lanka.
That's
Great.
good.
That's
Good
great.
point.
And the last question is, if one day, I know already the answer, but I'm just asking, if one day you want to come to Sri Lanka, and if it's yes, why? If it's no, why?
Yeah, of course I want to go to Sri Lanka to meet you again. And,
We can meet.
We can meet in Italy.
Yeah, also.
We
Yeah.
are
But
like,
in Sri Lanka, another thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's super special.
And yeah, I would like to go to Sri Lanka to see to discover a new world, because for me it's a new world, different things, and yes.
New culture.
What?
New culture.
Yeah, new culture. Yes.
Thank you, Luca.
Thank you
so
too.
much. I think we can end the video here.
You
With
want to?
Yes, I don't want to wait for other friends to interview. Just cut.
අයියෝ.
මොකද මෙතන එළියේ පාටියක් තියෙනවා. ඒකයි අපි ඔක්කොමලා මේක ඇතුලේ වහගෙන ඉන්නේ. අපේ කට්ටියම රෙඩි වෙලා ඉන්න පාටි එකට යන්න කට්ටියම උයනවා. එළියේ සින්දු දාගෙන ෆන් එකේ ඉන්න. ඉතින් අපි කට්ටියව කිඩ්නැප් කරලා මේක අස්සේ දාගෙන ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා වීඩියෝ එකට. අපි අද මේ පොඩි වීඩියෝ එක මෙතනින් ඉවර කරනවා. ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු හවස 5ට. ඉතින් කවදාටකද? බදාදකනේ.
Yeah.
බදාද හවස 5ට අලුත් වීඩියෝ එකකින් හම්බෙමු. Thank you so much. මම හිතනවා අපේ ලංකාව ගැන මේ වගේ රටවල් ගොඩකට එකපාර මෙහෙම අරන් ගන්න වෙච්ච පුළුවන් වෙච්ච එක ගැන බිනාරියෝ 12 පවුලේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ටත් අපිටත් සතුටුයි කියලා. ඉතින් එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye.
Bye, Luca.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bravo. Wait. මම එයාව පෙන්නන්නම්කොද?
Okay.
Okay. Bravo. Bravo Sergio. Bravo.